It's been a very busy year for Beta Technologies, and there's more to come before the end of the year. Unlike most eVTOL companies that focus on a flagship aircraft product, Beta is also becoming a true pioneer in terms of electric charging infrastructure. Most recently, 3 Florida airports have added the Beta multimodal charging solutions to their facilities, paving the way for advanced air mobility operations in the near future. Tallahassee International Airport, Gainesville Regional Airport, and Bob Sikes Airport are now operating Beta chargers for electric aircraft and vehicles. One Level 3 fast charger is incorporated inside the fence for eVTOLs and electrified airport ground vehicles. Another Level 2 charger is placed outside the fence for EVs. With this recent addition, Beta Technologies can now proudly count more than 30 chargers being operational across the U.S. It was a lightspeed progress, considering that only a few months ago, there were approximately 17 online chargers. Some of the first locations included the Marshfield Municipal Airport, which housed the first electric aircraft charging station in the state of Massachusetts, and the Montgomery Regional Airport in Alabama. Another industry-first and highly strategic achievement was the inauguration of the first-ever electric aircraft charger at a USAF base, namely the Eglin Air Force Base in Florida. It looks like all the roads lead to Florida, which is why it's no surprise that local authorities plan to turn this into America's pioneering advanced air mobility operator. This recent expansion of Beta's charging network at Florida airports is another step in that direction. Florida has both the potential and the need for alternative means of transportation that can efficiently combine accessibility with sustainability. For Beta, the goal is to eventually count 150 fully operational multimodal charging stations across the U.S. as part of a complex advanced air mobility network. The deadline is tight, with more than 100 additional stations that should be installed and ready to go by the end of next year. At the same time, the Beta Technologies continues to advance its flagship aircraft with 2 current versions, the A250 ALIA eVTOL and the CX300 ALIA CTOL. At the end of last year, Beta marked a huge accomplishment related to its CTOL aircraft. New Zealand's flagship carrier, Air New Zealand, officially confirmed that the Beta ALIA CTOL was the first electric aircraft selected to become part of its future all-green fleet. Air New Zealand confirmed the order for a single ALIA aircraft, reserving the rights to acquire 20 additional units in the future as part of its pioneering Mission Next-Gen aircraft program. Beta's CTOL was up against several important names in the industry, such as Cranfield Aerospace and Eviation. The ALIA CTOL is set to enter service next year, followed by the all-electric ALIA in 2026.